Hello fam, Teresa Von Regan here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to focus on beginner basic contouring. There's a lot about contouring out there, but we're going to focus on contouring to lift the face. But before we do, I have a special offer for you, an exclusive offer, a free offer. This is a free, fun, virtual makeup or skincare lesson. It's gonna be intimate, it's gonna be custom fit, it's gonna be fun, and just for you. It's easy to sign up, just click the link in the description below. And as an added bonus, I have a Clinique 25% off link and code in the description below. Step 1, start with great skincare and bake. Step 2, use a contour stick and map out the areas you are contouring. Apply to the cheeks, a little bit above the hollow so you lift the base. You can also use a fish sucking motion to help with placement. Contour from the top of the ear and visualize a line to the mouth and stop at the pupil. If you want more contour, you can add thicker contour toward the ear. Contour the tip of the nose to make the nose look more lifted. You can also contour the sides of the nose to slim the nose. I'm not going to contour the sides of my nose because my nose is already slim. Then you can contour 3 lip lines, one toward the center of the cupid's bow is, and the other 2 next to the high points of the cupid's bow to add definition and plumpness to the lip. Next, contour the jaw and neck and collarbone. By contouring the jawline, you're going to add lifting to the jaw. By contouring down the center of the neck, you're going to slim the neck. And then by contouring the sides of the collarbone, you're going to make the neck area appear thinner. If you have a bigger forehead, you can contour along the hairline. For a wider forehead, you add more contour and a deeper contour along the hairline. If you have a shorter forehead, like mine, you can skip the contour of the forehead or you can just do a little contour of the forehead. Use a brush to blend your contour using light, soft strokes so you don't wear off most of your contour. You still want some of that contour showing through. If you want more contour, you can add bronzer or a powder contour on top of where you put the contour stick. Sometimes if I feel like I need more blending, I use my wet beauty blender to add a little extra blending and hydration. Step 3, add highlight to the high points of your face. Highlight the cheekbones, down the center of your nose, your brow bone, your chin, your jaw area, the fleshy part of the jaw, down the center of the neck to slim the neck, and then the collarbone, the part of the collarbone that sticks out. Step 4, finish with a blush in the apple of your cheek and blend it back to the ear, and then buff around the edges with your buff brush. What do you think? This is my final contouring look. Now, as you can see, contour can be an in-depth thing, or you could take the fast angle of contouring. It's just whatever menu of service you want to play that day with contouring. You decide. With the right brushes and tools, anybody can create this look. And don't forget, fam, that exclusive live skincare or makeup school that I want you to be part of. It's in the description below. Check out my Clinique 25% link and code in the description, and don't forget to like and smash that subscribe. Bye for now, fam.